Welcome friends, RK Economy online classes. Now discuss this video, features of Indian economy. This video also foundation course civils, NCERT syllabus main the focus on. Now discuss about low per capita income. Low per capita income means comparison to other countries. India to main developed countries. Developed countries means the USA, Canada, North Korea, South Korea, Japan, all European countries. Better than India, it is the per capita income. It is the actually nowadays income facilities India rapidly changes. At the time of features of Indian economy, low per capita income and that time purchasing power also very low, living capacity also very low. Human being life depend upon their income. If income increases, living capacity also increases. At the same time, purchasing power also increases. You remember that every student. When the per capita income increases, all consumers, purchasing power, living capacity, all capacity increases depend upon the income. Income is variable. Income is not constant. Indian economy 1947 to 1971 different. 1971 to 1991 different. 1991 to 2011 different, 2011 to 2021 different. You remember that every student. Economy is a variable, not constant. Already I said that. That is the possibilities are there. Other than the poor infrastructure, still now Indian infrastructure all states not equal. For example, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Punjab, Haryana, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, these are all states, well-developed states in India. In this area, infrastructure very fast and fastly and compared to equal to developed countries. Other than India, another states, that is the northeastern states, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Bihar, Orissa, these are all states, backward states. You think about that once, every student as a civil servant. It is the only India, some states is the developed states, some states developing states, some states underdeveloped states. How is it possible? It is the central government main focus on who the force of the supported members, they are elected of the highest amount of them. Then low literacy rate. Literacy rate also very low. It is the 1951 literacy rate 18%, 2011 literacy rate 74.04%. Still now, some states, especially Bihar, Orissa, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, northeastern states, some states, these are all low state rate of interest rate. The literacy rate very low. When the literacy rate very low, and the development also not possible. Then predominance of agriculture. India, orthodox families, joint family system. When the literacy rate very low, they are depend upon only working on only agriculture sector. 72% already I told that before video, 72% depend upon the agriculture sector. Indian traditional system followed the agriculture system. Bullock carts and other systems are there. No fertilizers, no pesticides on that time. Another one, low development of industries. If you want to development of industries, raw material availability you need. and update technology very need, and human resources are very need. But these are all lack of Indian capacity, lack of scarcity are there, and it is the some people depend upon only industries, but low development of industries. Another one, under urbanization, the natural utilization resources. Utilization means it is the some resources the used only some people only. For example, political leaders and cine stars and businessmen only utilization of resources, but does not coming to poor people. But who created our natural resources? Tell me about that. That is the natural resources created only universe, God of the gift. God of the gift. But these are all qualities, these are all activities only using capacity only some people. Another one, capital deficiency, low investment rate. Low investment rate, it is the capital deficiency. 1991 before, India was faced capital deficiency very high. On the time 1991 before, India doesn't encouragement of the FDI, FII, FPI. These are all not supported on that time, not encouragement on that time. Then it is the capital deficiency on that time. Next to high population. India population growth rate very high. 1991 to 2001, India population growth rate 21.5%. 2001 to 2011, India population growth rate 17.5%. According to 2024 World Population Report, India beat out the China. Now population, India population 145 crores, China population 141 crores. How much difference? 4 crores excess India. Then income disparities. Income disparities means this is still now Indian government main is the face to the income inequalities. Nowadays, some people lowest income, some people highest income. That is called income disparities are there. Some people nowadays, poor people, very, very poor people. Some people, rich people. That is called disparities. This still continue. Actually, 1947, 1991, one phase. 1991 to still one phase. 1991 after phase, the development of India, identification the all sectors. Once the lesson video, like and subscribe my video. Thank you very much.